Songs are such a glorious part of a cinema. I don't think we celebrate them enough. In fact, some hold the view that there shouldn't be any songs in our films. I hold a very contrary view because I think that view of not having song comes from a very foreign understanding of our films. The way cinema evolved in India, songs have been intrinsic to the films and they are a great legacy that we have. In fact, I would say that songs are not an addition to the film, they are very central to the film. They express the core feeling of the film and they don't have to carry the story forward. They're there to intensify the feeling and they bring poetry into our lives. Isn't that enough of a reason to have songs? Imagine if there were no songs, our lives would be bereft of such poetry. Romantic songs happen to be the most popular of all songs. And they're not always about a nice, warm, sunny feeling. Sometimes they can be very sad, very tragic, as in this song from Kagas Ke Phool by Kaifi Azmi. He expresses such eternal sorrow, it seems. वक्त ने किया क्या हंसी सितम तुम रहे न तुम हम रहे न हम बेकरार दिल इस तरह मिले जिस तरह कभी हम जुदा न थे तुम भी खो गए हम भी खो गए एक राह पर चल के दो कदम
वक्त ने किया क्या हंसी सितम तुम रहे न तुम हम रहे न हम.
Sahir also wrote for Gurudutt for his film Pyasa and his song जाने वो कैसे लोग थे जिनके प्यार को प्यार मिला हमने तो जब खुशियां मांगी कांटों का हार मिला. It's very popular to this day. But Sahir also wrote a very unlike Sahir, you can say, song, a very light, witty song. हम आपकी आंखों में इस दिल को बसा दें तो he asks, the Gurudutt character asks, and the woman he's wooing replies, हम मूंद के इन पलकों को इस दिल को सजा दें तो she's being very coy. Then he says, हम आपको ख्वाबों में ला ला के सताएंगे and her reply comes, हम आपकी आंखों से नींदें ही उड़ा दें तो. So this kind of witty banter continues throughout the song. It's a very light, very nice composition by Sahir, set to music by S.D. Burman. Zaid Qadri is a poet of our times, and what I admire about him is how he brings a certain freshness in his expression to the various feelings that we have today. He did that in various movies, and he does it again in Balki's Ki and Ka. Now, look at this expression about love when he says, मोहब्बत है ये जी हुजूरी नहीं. मोहब्बत है ये जी हुजूरी नहीं. मेरी हर खुशी में हो तेरी खुशी. मोहब्बत में ऐसा ज़रूरी नहीं. तू जब मिलना चाहे ना मिल सकूं मैं. मेरा ना मिलना कोई दूरी नहीं. It's a wonderful way of, expressing the feelings of today's generation, of a very matter-of-fact attitude to love. Finally, I would like to come to a sentiment of love, which is the highest form of love, which is the love for the divine. This has also been expressed in our films. There's a little known film called Bazaar, you may not have heard of it, directed by Sagar Sarhadi, in which he uses a classical poem from Mir Taki Mir, set to a beautiful melody by Khayyam Saab. And it goes, दिखाई दिए यूं कि बेखुद किया, दिखाई दिए यूं कि बेखुद किया, हमें आपसे ही जुदा कर चले. The poet is saying, one appearance, one look made me unconscious. I lost the sense of self also. And then it goes, परस्तिश की यहाँ तक कि ऐ बुत तुझे, परस्तिश की यहाँ तक कि ऐ बुत तुझे, नज़रों में सबों की खुदा कर चले. So see the devotion of true love for the divine. With that devotion, an idol placed before the eyes, is raised by the devotion in the eyes of the whole world to be the divine. It's a beautiful expression from our Indian culture of divinity and the eternal love. This has also been there in Said Qadri's work, who's also a very spiritual person. And he wrote this line inspired by a real life experience. And the line goes, दिल इबादत कर रहा है, दिल इबादत कर रहा है, धड़कने मेरी सुन. दिल इबादत कर रहा है. The heart is beating in a worshipful way. It has been used again in a romantic sense in the film, but who do you think is being addressed here? I'll leave you with that thought. Thank you.